Rotary Club Shillong Heritage, jingiatreilang bat ki Synjuk Seng Samla Shnong, khat tarik nohprah hajar pulai, Pynkup Burom ya pulai ngut ki khun samla ki badan halaki jong ki sap ki phong Bapher Bapher, rukom trei jong. Ya kane jingpynkupburom balatip kumka Sharakrit Award, pynlong Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Haba kren bat kilap pathai Khubor, President Rotary Club Shillong Heritage, Vishal Amarnani, bat Secretary Jabir Singh, kilaong ba jingthmu jong kani jingpynkup burom yekini ki pulai ngut ki samla, kalong ban mynsiem bat ban ithuh iki hakikam bagi trei, bat bakin dang kiu shaprang hakikam bagi lale knang bakin yo mynsiem shushu, ban nang trei shitam, bat bakin pentebet shushu kasap kapong bagi don.
In the BJJ title belt weight category 78 kg. Sport can be seen in the construction of a boxing Meghalaya in the National Games 2023, the Goa School Games Delhi, Khelo India Assam, Junior National East Zone National Championship. She's received many awards and has participated in various events, both at the state and national level. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for her once again. As a mechanic, and now as a technician at Frank Yamaha. Organized by Seikokai Karate International India. As the awards are being presented, may I now read out her tremendous ability and contribution. Despite being specially able, she is the recipient of the Sabal Award for the Spirit of Expression, entrepreneur, skilled professional with excellent communication, organizational and problem-solving skills. She is always willing to go in an efficient manner. State-level arm wrestling competition, gold medals, senior category, bronze medals, youth category at the national level. Representing the nation at the World Arm Wrestling Championship 2023, which was held at Kazakhstan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. For his tremendous abilities of sportsmanship, he set a record for walking the maximum distance in a single day. He's covered 101.54 kilometers in 19 hours and 33 minutes from Moyong Ring to Sorinkam, back to Mawlong Rim, and from
all the members. Thank you. Thank you. Come, we say. Yes, all of group. Okay, once more. Life, we had awardees. We had a disabled girl who's written a book called A Tiara of Love, and she's heading a disabled society for the past 5 years. So we wanted to do something for the youth and new generation. So we had a meeting with this Synjuk Seng Samla. Then we decided to have the small program where we could felicitate and award them.
We are a very new club, Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage. There are 4 Rotary clubs in Shillong. Our club, Rotary Club of Shillong Heritage, is a relatively new club, and we've made all the possible efforts to actually engage all sections of society, be it young, be it very, very young kids in interact clubs, and then old people as well. So we want to touch all possible sections of community. And this, as President Vishal Amarnani mentioned, this is part of our youth and new generation initiative. What is important out here is that we've been able to go into the sections which already have been organized within the small localities. So we've been able to go into the localities. People who are being appreciated within their families and local localities have been now identified and have been felicitated. As President said, most of these people have been doing well at state level, national level, in sport, in academics, in some sort of talent such as painting and all. And we're very, very happy to actually be able to connect with them and also make them aware that we appreciate them as much as the society appreciates them.
So this kind of program will you continue to organize?
Actually, we do every month we do something of this sort. So, for example, we, as President mentioned in the in his speech, we've been doing programs with Civil Hospital where we actually just went on Independence Day, and we wanted to actually touch the ward boys and people who have not been actually recognized, and we were able to actually do a project around 300 people. We were able to actually get involved on that particular day. And then on Doctors' Day, like 1st July, we were able to felicitate 25 doctors in Super Care Hospital, but not the senior doctors, but then those upcoming junior doctors, because they are the ones who actually work harder, night shifts, graveyard shifts and everything. If you think about it, the biggest worry a person can have is public humiliation, right? And the opposite of it is public recognition, right? And this is public recognition, recognized by own people. It makes you feel very, very good, and it drives you to do better.
To motivate the youth, the new generation, to whatever field they are interested in, and whatever they feel happy with, and whatever they feel, wherever their talent is, they should pursue that. And maybe this kind of award will try and motivate the others to follow and to go behind their dreams, maybe in a small way also, but and recognition is an recognition, be it a big or a small recognition. So I think we also, it's a proud moment for our club, as well as we thank the Synjuk Seng Samla Shnong, Shillong City, who have collaborated with us, and really we have absolutely done a very, very, very good program today.